But remember one thing, do not share the link directly on WhatsApp, Instagram and Facebook. Otherwise your account will be suspended. Subscribers on YouTube or followers on Instagram and Facebook. You know how to run Google Ads, or you have a good email list for email ads. 6 ways to earn money from YouTube without monetization. But 5th and 6th ways are most useful, proven and important. So don't skip 5th and 6th at all. So without wasting even your fraction of second, let's start video. So our first way is refer and earn. By the way, refer and earn can be seen on almost all platforms these days. But in this video, I will tell you 3 such trusted platforms on which you can earn a lot. So before telling the name of those 3 trusted platforms, let us understand what is basically refer and earn. Suppose you have created an account on any online platform. So as soon as you create an account, your unique referral code is generated. And if you share that referral code to your friends, family members or subscribers, and if they create their account on that platform through your referral code, then in that condition, that platform give you some money. And suppose if you refer any trading or banking platform, and if that user who created his account on that platform through your referral code, if they trades on that platform, do transactions, buy or sell stocks, then in that condition, that platform give you some extra amount separately. So now let me tell you those 3 trusted platforms on which you can earn a lot. So our first platform is Upstocks, second Grow and third Angel One. And step-by-step tutorials of this platform you will get on YouTube, like how to join, how to withdraw money and many more. So if your channel is in business, trading, investment in these categories, so you must use refer and earn. Another way to make money from YouTube without monetization is channel membership. But to enable channel membership feature, you must first complete the milestone of 1000 subscribers on your channel. 4000 hours of watch time completed or not does not matter. Only you need 1000 subscribers to use this feature. Now let us understand what is channel membership. So you must have seen that a blue color join button under many channel. So as soon as someone clicks on that button, it gets redirected on the payment page, and it is written on the payment page that you will have to pay some fixed amount per month to the channel owner to become a member of this channel. So as soon as you accept the contract, you become an official member of that channel. Now what will be the benefit of becoming a channel member? So there are many benefits of becoming a channel member. Like if you comment on the videos of that channel, so your comment will be highlighted. And there are many such videos which the channel owner want to show only to the channel members. For example, if you become a member of educational channel, so there are many such videos or tutorials which are only for channel members. So basically, if on your channel 1000 subscribers have been completed, so you can use this feature. Now our third way is ebook. If your channel is education, motivation or tutorials, or if I say in simple language, if you teach something to people, if your channel is in all these categories, then ebook can be a best opportunity for you to maximize your earning and to build a strong bond between your audience. So basically book is of 2 types. First is physical book or second is digital book or ebook. And you need money to get the physical book printed. But on the other hand, ebook can create for free. You can make an ebook with the help of any graphic design website like Canva. You can make as many copies of ebook as you want, that too absolutely free. But to make the copies of physical book, you need to pay some extra amount every time. You have to create an ebook only once, then you can share or sell it to your friends, family members or subscribers. But you have to make separate copy of physical book for each person with charge. The second benefit of ebook is also here that you can use them for your YouTube channel, as well as you can publish them on online ebook selling website like Kindle. But you have to pay some small amount to publish ebook on this website. Now don't panic after hearing some small amount, because on the other end, that websites will bring you sales too. So you see, from any angle, your profit from ebook is going to increase. So now let's talk about our fourth way to make money from YouTube without monetization, and that is online course. You must be aware here that now our world is no longer a world, but has become a digital world. And in the era of this digital world, nowadays learning has also become digital. That's why twice as many online courses are available as there are no offline courses today. Because it has 7 main reasons. Online courses easy to create, easy to publish on any platform, easy to distribute. You can also edit after publish, easy to carry. Recordings are available. Thousands of courses you can store even in your single phone. That's why people nowadays prefer online course more instead of offline course. And the best thing here is that it is not even necessary that your YouTube channel to be monetized for online courses. So for this, you simply have to observe yourself and identify which is the skill in which you have expertise. Like if you know editing, you can make course about editing. You know photography, stock market, cryptocurrency, Facebook ads, Google ads, filming, writing, scripting and many more. the market of online courses is huge. So if you have knowledge of any skill, then online course is the best way to share your knowledge and experience and to convert your passion into profession. And now YouTube has also launched an official update looking at this market. So with the help of this update, now you can upload course on YouTube. So from here, watch the video with full concentration, because I told in the beginning of the video that 5th and 6th ways are most useful, proven and important in compared to previous 4 ways. So our 5th way is affiliate marketing. So first of all, let us understand what is affiliate marketing. But before that, tell me one thing. If you are watching this video, means you have an Android phone and internet connection. And if you have an Android phone and internet connection, so I'm sure you must have done online shopping at some point in your life. And if you done online shopping, then you must have understood that how much the craze of online shopping is increasing. Nowadays, people order the biggest refrigerator or the smallest spoon online only. So basically, 3 people have main role in affiliate marketing. First is product owner, second affiliate marketer, and third customer. So consider this as an example. Suppose I have made this pen, means I am the owner of this pen and I want to sell this pen, but I am not able to sell this. Why? Because I don't have customers, I don't have audience. Now suppose you have a good subscriber base on YouTube or followers on Instagram and Facebook. You know how to run Google Ads, or you have a good email list for email marketing. Now you came to me and said that I can sell this pen. So I said, okay. Now you said I can sell this pen, but what will I get in return? So I said, okay, if you sell this pen, then I will give you 10% of the cost of this pen. So I hope now you understand what is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is found on almost all online shopping platforms. But there are 3 most safest and trusted platforms on which earning is also highest. First is ClickBank, second Digistore24, and third Zebizu. So as soon as you create an account on this platform, unique links are generated for all the products on that platform, physical or digital. And every product has a unique link. And on which product, how much % commission will you get, it depends on that product and on that platform. Then you can simply copy the link of the product which you want to sell and share it on social media. But remember one thing, do not share the link directly on WhatsApp, Instagram and Facebook. Otherwise your account will be suspended. You have to use landing page to share the link. Now if you want a detailed video about what is landing page and how to share a link in a proper way, then tell me in the comments. I will make a detailed video. Now let's back to our topic. So now this question may come in your mind that neither we have so many subscribers on YouTube nor followers on Instagram and Facebook. So let me tell you, it does not matter that how many subscribers and followers you have. Whether your subscribers are 1 million or 10,000, 500 or even 100 subscribers, you can do affiliate marketing. Yes, but those 100 subscribers should be real and genuine. And most important, they should have trust on you. So if you watch any YouTuber's video, then go to the description of the video. You will see some links like those equipments they use, such as camera, tripod, mic. You will find this type of links in comedy, roasting, vlog, even in every category of YouTube channel's description. So all this type of links you see in the description of YouTubers, they are also doing affiliate marketing there. Now if we talk about Amazon, then there you get 1% to 10% commission. But on the other hand, you can get up to 80% commission on ClickBank and Digistore24. Because products on these platforms are bit expensive and mainly products are digital. Now if the customer will pay highly to the product owner, then the owner will also get more money. And if the owner will get more money, then they will give also more commission to the affiliate marketer. Now affiliate marketing is also proven and trusted because no one loses in it. Let us understand how. Suppose I have a $100 phone and I want to sell that phone, but I am not able to sell it. Now you came to me as an affiliate marketer and you sold that phone to a customer. Now in this condition, all 3 of us have benefited. How? My phone was not being sold, you sold it, my profit. You sold my phone, so you also get some % commission, your profit. Now you got some % commission, it does not mean that the customer would have to pay something extra. The customer will also get that phone in $100. So this is the customer's profit. So I hope now you understand what is affiliate marketing and how it is work. So now let's talk about our last way to make money from YouTube without monetization. Now the method we are going to talk about is not to everyone, even on YouTube. And this method is 70% part of YouTubers earning. So I'm talking about YouTube sponsorship. So first of all, let us understand what is YouTube sponsorship. We understand sponsorship with an example. Suppose a new company is about to launch its phone in the market. Now if you are going to the market to buy a new phone, which phone do you buy? Oppo, Vivo, Apple, iPhone, any one of this. Why? Because you know these companies. Now suppose if a new company launches its phone directly, so will that phone sell or will you buy that phone? So the answer would be no. Why? Because you don't know that company. But on the other hand, what if that company get YouTubers to promote their phone? The very next day the sales of that phone will increase 2x. So basically this is the definition of sponsorship, that a company pays you to promote their product or service. Now the question must be coming in your mind that only big YouTubers would get sponsorship. Why would we get it? So it is not like that at all. Your subscribers and views does not matter for sponsorship. The company only sees how much your brand value is and how is your connection with your audience. So sponsorship is mainly of two types. First is integrated. What happens in this is that you have a channel of any category, you have to promote the product or service of that company in your video for 30 seconds, 40 seconds or 60 seconds. For example, if you have seen any comedy video, then in the beginning of the video, the YouTubers tell about an app, website or product in a few seconds. But in integrated sponsorship, you get less money because you are promoting their product or service only for a few seconds in your video. Second type of sponsorship is dedicated sponsorship. What happens in this is that the company pays you to make a full dedicated video about their product or service. Now in dedicated sponsorship, you get a lot of money as compared to integrated sponsorship, because here you are making a full dedicated video about their product or service. So these are the types of sponsorship. Now let's talk about how the company will pay you. The first is that you have to make a video about their product or service and the company will pay you according to your face value. Another way is the barter system, and there are also three methods in barter system. The first is, suppose you are promoting any physical product like TV, phone, etc. So the company will first send you that product, then you have to unboxing and review them and make a video of it and publish it on your channel. And as soon as you publish that video, then you have to keep that product. The company will not take back that product. Yes, you have to keep that product, but the company will not give you money. And the second way is that the company sent you the product, you made a video, publish the video, then the company will take back that product and give you the money. And the third way is that the company sent the product, you made a video, publish the video, then you have to keep that product and the company will give you also. But it depends on your face value. So it was about a physical product. Now in situation of digital product like website or app, so what does the company do? That for 1 or 2 years, it gives you a subscription of that website or app for free. So I hope now you understand. So these were the 6 ways with the help of which you can earn a lot even without monetization. So if you are watching this video yet, then thank you very much from bottom of my heart, and for more videos you can subscribe our channel.